With the current opportunities to capitalise on government schemes such as the bounce back loans or the CBILS scheme, this is the right time to buy a machine tool or a piece of ancillary equipment. I'm at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions with Ben Warren. Ben, part of your portfolio is this range of machining centres, the Storm range of machines, and this is a good opportunity for someone to purchase one of these, isn't it?
Yeah, again, with the CBILS programme in full flow, it'll be a fantastic time to utilise it to purchase a fantastic VMC from ourselves.
You would be competing with a few others though, wouldn't you, when it comes to vertical machining centres? There must be, I don't know, I dread to think how many that can supply machines like this. Would people be purchasing one of these because of your heritage, the name, the training, some of the things that you promote?
The points that you touched on, I would agree, but also this machine on its own in the field is fantastic. It comes with a big plus spindle as standard. It's very rigid, and this can cut through P20 steel like a hot knife through butter.
We did actually see that demo once. Actually, it was quite impressive to see that, and it was cutting dry as well,
Yeah.
wasn't it? There was no vibration.
No.
It really was. It really was a good cutting demonstration. This particular Storm machine is available here for people to come and see. Obviously, we're in the pandemic, but they can come and see it safely.
We're still open for demos, and we're COVID secure and we follow the regulations. So by all means, we can arrange demos. Contact us directly and come up and view the machine.
Anything else on this machine that comes with it that is worth people knowing while we're talking about it on this video? I.e., maybe the control systems, the tool changer. What is standard?
So obviously the FANUC control system. We've got 24 tools, ATC on the side, 10,000 spindle, and like I touched on earlier, you've got the big plus spindle, which is a big bonus. Yep. And then we've obviously got the Swarf Arger and tray as well.
Okay, which we can see coming out the side here, so quite a neat and tidy, compact solution. The time to buy, and this could be on your shopping list. This is a Storm VMC from Colchester Machine Tool Solutions.